welcome back to my channel. So my sister and I went to the shops today, and there's a couple of things that I got. So this is going to be a multi-store haul, right? So I just wanted to share with you some of the things that I found and how much they are, and maybe plug you a little bit, and hopefully you're gonna like them and maybe go into store and get some for yourself. So yeah, tune in and I hope you enjoy it. So first up, I have a PepHome haul. So I got a couple of stuff from PepHome. We all know that PepHome is the plug, like it's the ultimate plug for home stuff. So at a reasonable price. So the first is these babies. How cute are these? And this goes for 50 rand, so it's 49.99. And as you can see, it's microwave safe, oven safe, dishwasher safe, freezer safe, and food safe. So I got 3 of these, but not in the same size. So I'm going to show you the different sizes that I've got. So this is the first size. I'm gonna store some of my food, my snacks in here, especially, you know, when you start eating snacks and you don't finish. I think this is perfect for that. And then there's this size as well. So this size is 80 rand, 29.99. So for me, the 99 is just like, so I say it's 80 rand. So fun story, the reason why I bought glass containers, there was a point, there's some time when I was out with my friend and we were looking at some stuff for the house, and we were making a joke that I always have like Tupperware containers, because she saw some glass containers as well, and she's like, girl, you need to be a Mogal and get yourself some glass containers. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna take her up on that, and got myself from PepHome. So now the last size that I got is this big one, right? So that's how big it is against my head, and this is 100 rand. Okay, so remember, this is microwave safe, oven safe, dishwasher safe, and freezer safe. So it is from the same range, different sizes. So these, they look stunning. Oh my word, they look absolutely stunning. But I kind of wish there was a size between this one and this one. I don't know, but nonetheless, they look absolutely stunning. I love them. Okay, I need to carefully put them here. And then next up, oh my word, how cute is this snacks bowl? When I saw it, I thought snacks, I thought soup when I'm dishing up for, you know, multiple people. This is gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So this is 100 rand as well. There you go, 100 rand at Pep. So yeah, I saw it and I loved it. So this is gonna be one of my, you know, kitchen additions. And then I got this dish brush with soap dispenser. So you put the soap inside and then you press it. As you press it, the soap will discharge from here, and then you can wash with it. I'm not gonna use it for my dishes though. I'm gonna use it to scrub the floor in my shower. So that's what I'm gonna use it for. And this is only 24 rand. I wish they had bigger ones so that you can cover more surface, but I guess this was for dishes, so it makes sense why it's so small. And then something that I saw the need for this the other day when I was drinking my bubbles, and I wanted to put it in an ice bucket, but I didn't have one. So I went to PepHome and got myself one. So there's the ice bucket, stainless steel, and this goes for 120 rand, right, for this size. They didn't put a size on it, but yeah, a bottle will fit in there. So I got myself that. So that's it with Pep. I'm gonna move on now to the next store. So I went to Lovisa. They had a 4 for 200 rand special. So I got a couple of stuff, but I shared with my sister. So I'm just gonna show you what I have now. So the first thing that I got is this scarf, right? Because how cute is this? I'm gonna take out the thing, whatever this is called, but look at this scarf. How cute is this? And it can go with any color because it's a multicolor scarf. So that's why I went for it, because it's multicolored. You can, you know, use it and wear it with multiple things. You can use it for your hair as a head wrap, or you can tie it. I know my friend likes tying hers on her neck, and she would look absolutely cute. But I like tying mine on my hair, on my head, especially if I'm wearing a wig. Then I can tie this and look cute. So this was not on the special though. This was just something that I liked, and this goes for 230 rand at Lovisa. I know you could get something cheaper at Marabastad, but I love the Lovisa ones as well. Okay, and then I got this necklace. So this necklace was part of the 4 for 200. So I got myself this cute little necklace, and I got another necklace, but I gave it to my sister, and other earrings that I gave to my sister, and these are so cute. So separately these go for 110, and this goes for 160, but I got another set of earrings and another necklace, so it was 2 earrings and 2 necklaces for 200 rand. So yeah, so like I said, the other ones I gave to my sister, so me and her shared. She's actually the one who plugged me on this, because she also went and bought, and she said she's gonna share the other 2 stuff from her collection, and she's gonna bring them for me. Okay, so that's it for Lovisa. And then I went to Woolies and got myself this. If my camera can focus. So it's the Oud Rose Eau de Parfum, and it is 460. But this smells absolutely divine. Oh my word, it smells like grown up. It does have a very strong rose smell. I'm not much of a fan of rosy scents, but this one sold me. I was like, you know what, this is the girl she thinks she is. And this is how the bottle looks when you unbox it. Right, so that's the bottle, cute little bottle. This, oh my word, it smells so good. It smells, I was telling my sister that it smells like I'm rich. It smells like I'm a grown up. It smells a little bit serious. So if you wanna buy this and wear it, I would wear it at a serious event or something like that. It is absolutely, oh my word, I love it. I'm just gonna, yep, it smells so good. I wish I could transfer the scent via video to you, but it smells so good. So there's a couple of other scents from Woolies if you want to try them out. They have quite nice scents, so you can go there, get yourself some nice cute little scents, and yeah, enjoy them. If you do, tell me what you think about them. I also have 2 more scents from Woolies. I have Fleur and Distraction. So I actually love Woolies scents because they actually smell quite nice and they last quite long. So that's what I love about them, and they're quite reasonable. I mean, 400, 300, they go around that range, so they're actually quite reasonable. So yeah, I thought I should show you some of the stuff that I've got and just plug you on some of the things, especially the Lovisa 4 for 200 special. If you're looking for earrings, if you're looking for necklaces, jewelry, anything, go to Lovisa and see what they have in store for you. PepHome is always the girl that she thinks she is when it comes to home stuff. And yeah, so a little bit of Woolies as well in there. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this. And yeah, see you in my next video. Bye. And moving on to the next part of the video, I will be unboxing my packages from Dijalo. Oh my word, guys, I think I'm obsessed with Dijalo and everything that they do. So yeah, so today you're just gonna see me unboxing and yeah, whatever that is with the plant. So first up, I got this beautiful rubber plant. It's still a baby. It's so cute and it's so green. Oh my word, so shiny as well. Oh my goodness. So there's the plant. I love it so much. And then there's the box. I'm so excited to open it. So yeah, you'll see me opening the box. So yeah, guys, the cupboard door is still not fixed, guys. I'm so annoyed. Still waiting on maintenance to come and fix this cupboard door, but that's fine. Let's get back to me unboxing and struggling to to tear this plastic up. I don't know why I didn't reach for my scissors earlier, because this would have been so much better. So yeah, now let's see what is in the box. I'm so excited. I love this tray. Oh my goodness, it is so gorgeous. It's a bit wavy. It's ceramic white, and I am in love with it. So this is me unwrapping it. Or maybe I was unwrapping the plant, ne? I don't know. English goes out the window sometimes, guys. So yeah, back to the tray. That's me opening it and hoping to the gods that I do not break it, or that it doesn't slip from my hands and fall. Yo, guys, kuningi. But I loved how they wrapped it and made sure that it doesn't break on the way to my place when it gets delivered. So that's how it looks. At the bottom it has those things, I don't know what you call them, but it's just to balance it on surfaces, and there are the waves. I absolutely love it. It's so nice and cute. You can put whatever you want on it. And then let's reach out for more stuff. I saw this cute little tray and I was sold. I am so in love with this. So how she advertised it on her page is that she put some jewelry on it. I don't know if it was a client's picture of it or if it was hers, but yeah. So I thought I want to do the same, because sometimes after a late night you take off your earrings and you don't want to, because my jewelry box is so far, so I don't want to go all the way and get it and put my earrings in it. So that would work perfectly on my nightstand. And then next, it's this cute little container. Oh my goodness. You could also use this as like a mini jewelry box as well. It has a lid, you'll see it in a moment. But I wanted to use it to put my cotton pads in the bathroom, because I don't like them when they're just sitting in the plastic. So I kind of wanted something for the cotton pads. I am dying for this for this lid. It's absolutely cute. And there I am finally reaching for my scissors, guys. Yo, it took me forever to do that. I should have done this in the beginning. Hey bo, this girl. But anyways, opening or unwrapping these became so much easier after I used the scissors. Like, I should have used them a long time ago. But anyways, Look how cute that lid is. It looks like the roof of a temple or something. It looks so cute. And there is the final product. So how cute is that? How cute is that? Also, guys, let me know what else you would have used the items for. And then that is my cute little freebie. She added this O vase, and yeah, all her products have that thank you stickers. It says thank you for supporting my small business. I think that is so cute. And of course you can't see it on the screen, but yeah, I am so in love with this O. And it's not, so I have another one that I bought previously, and she has improved the design. So I'm so in love with this new design. Oh my god, guys, this design is the girl she thinks she is. Look at me marveling over it. I am so in love. Look at that. So if you can see, it's a bit asymmetric. Yo, say guys, look at that. How cute. How cute. Okay, let me show you what I have. So the small O is the one that I got previously. This is the one that I got for free now. I'm so stoked that I got it for free. And then the other one is the one that I got previously. Both of them are gorgeous, but I'm in love with the new one more. So guys, yeah, definitely head on to Dijalo's page and see what she has. So those are the stuff that I got. And yeah, this girl has like so many beautiful things, and I just think that, you know, you can enhance the look and feel of your house with some of these items. And yeah, that's me trying to show you how, you know, everything looks with my plant over there. She also sells the plants as well. Can you believe it? So yeah, that's me packing up after after I'm done with everything. So yeah, guys, there you go. Bye. Okay, so now I want to show you how I used these. So there's the cotton pads. So this is the old O that I had previously. So I put it in the bathroom. So yeah, it has those I don't know what those things are called, but yeah. And then here is, so the tray at the back, I also got it from Dijalo, as well as this tray that I put my earrings in. So that this is how I'm using the earrings one, and then that's that asymmetric one. So everything, all the, not everything except for the candle, the stand, and the thingamabob diffuser, all the other stuff I got from Dijalo as well. And then I don't know where I should put this plant, but for now I'm gonna put it besides the couch. So I like it there for now, but I'll find another space for it at some point. So guys, yeah, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.